So yeah, unfortunately for the Hyundai Excel rally car, I have sold it. There's been a big change of plans in my life, and I've decided to leave Australia and move over to Estonia. As some of you may know, Estonia and Finland especially have some extremely good rallying talent and pretty cool looking rally scene. I've also got Estonian heritage and some family and friends over there. So although it's sad news for the Hyundai Excel and time in Australia, I have had to sell it. It's been sold to a fellow rally car driver in Australia. So he, as we speak, is fixing it up and preparing it for its next rally. So hopefully we'll see it in the future, driving around the rally stages in New South Wales and Australia. As for me, I'll be moving to Estonia, hopefully buy a car and start to turn that into a rally car and take it out drifting and out snow driving, etc. Really hone in on my driving skills and my craft, and enjoy the perks and beauty of starting a new life somewhere else. So yeah, load it up on the trailer and say our goodbyes. Hopefully one day I'll see it again, driving past me in the forests of Australia. Hopefully the next video will be me with a new car in Estonia, starting to prepare that for its first rally. Stay tuned.